treasure chest. There are coins, gems, and diamonds. Among them all, you're the most precious that I wouldn't trade for another moment. One day, you were lost without silence. You left me behind, just so unalarmingly, without me preparing for a response. I will get some time staying with the sounds of grief. Others heard it, don't they? But my tears shed should never be silent. This time, I'm more cautious. Each and every of them is precious. Never should I be too serious, for there are numerous more. Perhaps in the new year, I will stand strong again. Every festive light will ring a bell of your ravishing assistance, serving as a poignant reminiscence. Still, I won't forget you, the brightest of all, illuminating the shimmering lights, like how the sun leaking through the window. You are gone, but your traces still visible. You still yield hope to influence me to move mountains. You are not there, but